खुद से जीतने की ज़िद है, मुझे खुद ही को हराना है। खुद से जीतने की ज़िद है, मुझे खुद ही को हराना है। मैं भीड़ नहीं हूँ दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर एक ज़माना है। Hello and thank you for joining this video. Today we are going to learn how to improve English language with the help of one trick. You know what is that? But before that trick, let me tell you something. Actually, we are speaking English language each and every single day. We speak English language. You are also practicing, I'm also practicing. But whatever we speak very simple things, simple sentences. We all the people are speaking very simple things. We don't have idea how many things are still left to speak, because the more we will speak, the more we will be fluent in English language, right? So my friend, today I have a different trick, and I don't know you have experienced it, you have tried it or not, but from my point of view, from my perspective, I never ever used this type of trick. So you may like it, and you may like it. So in this video we are going to discuss about the trick, and with the help of that trick you can definitely improve your English language. So let's move forward towards that trick. What is that actually? So if I talk about the first thing, we all are speaking English language every single day. You may not be able to speak nowadays, but after some time you must be able to speak English language, right? Don't lose hope. Okay, if you are able to understand only and you are thinking they people are speaking English language, how they are speaking, and I am unable to speak, my friend, after some time you will be speaking. Okay, so don't lose hope, just keep going and keep doing. So if I talk about the trick, so we all are speaking each and every single day some of the sentences. Okay, so I just want to say that we don't speak very convoluted, very complicated things, very complicated conversations. You know, we don't speak very different things. I mean, we don't know how many things are still left to speak. The people who are speaking every single day, how many things they speak, but they don't use English language, they use only Hindi language, right? So what if, first of all, the first thing is, if we speak for a whole day, whatever the people are speaking, whatever we are speaking, so we should speak English language. I know it will be complicated for us, because I am also not speaking at my home. You may not be able to speak at your home. If you are able to speak at your home, so it is a plus point for you, and you are going to improve your English language faster. So my friend, if you are able to speak at your home, so it is good thing for you. But if you are not able to speak at your home, so I have a trick for us. I mean, we the people are learning English language, so it is very important to know the trick. Okay, so let me tell you, first of all, you know what if whatever the people are speaking, they are just speaking with each other, they are talking to each other, and we what if we just record those voice. I mean, what if we record the voice of the people, the voice of the people who are just speaking. I'm not saying for a whole day we have to record those voices. No, I am saying that if if there are few people and they are just speaking with each other, and they are just speaking very logical things, very solid things, very knowledgeable things, or whatever they are speaking, but they are speaking actually, and they are just speaking the different things, right, on different types of topic. If they are not speaking different types of topic, so being a beginner, it is very important, whatever they are speaking, just record those voices, record the voice of the people, and just try to translate it. Yeah, after going, you can go somewhere else, and at your home as well you can do. There is no need to even any application. Your home is a application, man. Yes. And simply we can uh, we can record the voice of the people, and then we can translate it into English language. I mean, with the help of AI. And if you are able to translate it, you also can translate it in your words, right? So if we do this type of things every single day, so we can know, actually we can understand how many things we can improve, and how many vocabularies we can learn without any type of application, without any type of problem. We can simply record those voices, and we can translate it into English language. Tell me honestly, is it not a good trick? Tell me. I'm also going to use it. Before some time I didn't have idea about it, but now I'm going to use this trick. And with the help of this trick, I am just also improving my English language. I'm also going to improve my English language. So that's why I'm just suggesting you to record the voices of those people, and with the help of this thing we can improve our English language. If it is if you have done it before, so still I would suggest you, I mean, still I would suggest you to record those voices, and you should translate it into English language, right? Just think about, there will be no need to have any type of person for speaking English language. There will be no need to have any type of application. You will be alone, and you have your phone, and you will be listening to the people whatever they were speaking, and then you will have to just simply translate it into English language. If you don't have, if anything you are not able to understand, then you should use your Google or Gemini or whatever you have. See how easy it is. I mean, speaking, translating it, and just speaking, isn't it? So my friend, just try to do this. I mean, first of all, just try to record the voice of the people. And I'm not saying for a whole day you should record. You should record uh, at the times, like if you are thinking like, this thing I really want to know. I mean, whatever they are speaking right now, whatever they are doing, the group of your family members, they are just doing something, they are just uh, speaking with each other or doing something, and they are speaking about that thing. So you should record that point. You should record at that moment the voice of those people, of those family members. Getting the point or not? And just translate it. If you are getting bored to record those videos for a whole day, no, you should not do like this. See, uh, first of all, try to start from a little bit thing. I mean, if any family member is doing something, like for example, we are getting up in a morning time, and your mother is doing something, and your mother is in kitchen, and she is cooking food, she is doing something else, and she is speaking as well some of the things, right? She speaks now, everyone speaks at that time. So we can record the morning time, recording whatever they are talking about, what kind of things we need to have, what kind of things we can understand, how many things we can learn with the help of that morning time, how many things are spoken, how many things are being spoken in morning time every single day, isn't it? They people will be speaking about a lot of things, taking bath and going this, doing this, cooking food and this, that, a lot of things. And you can record the morning time whatever they are doing. And if you are not at home, so whenever you are at home, just try to record that voice. Try to record the voice of those family members. If you are at afternoon, so in afternoon you can record whatever they are talking to each other by eating food. They are eating food and they are talking to each other, isn't it or not? And if you are not available in afternoon, so you should record, in evening time. In the evening time you can record, and after recording, just try to translate it into English language. And don't try to record long long recording. Just try to record 20-minute, 15-minute. See, it is up to you. The more you will translate, the more you will become fluent. But initially, it will be complicated and it will be something boring for you, right? If you are a beginner, like you are unable to speak so many things, and you are thinking, I want to improve my English language. So just try to start from little bit, and after some time, you will be habitual in this thing. You will be very confident, you will be comfortable while recording and translating this thing. And in this way you can improve your English language. I am also going to start this trick, recording the voice of the people and translating it into English language. See, English can be translated into Hindi language easily, there is no problem. But when it comes to translating Hindi into English, then the problem arises. You may have seen and you may have experienced this thing. When we translate English into Hindi, then there is no problem, we can translate. But when it comes to translate Hindi into English, then we face problems, isn't it or not? Tell me honestly. So that's why I'm saying that we should follow this trick, and we can improve our English language definitely. So my friend, this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.